We're here at EGGER today to bring you an oversight into another way in which we handle the waste wood that we collect at Powerday. And we've travelled up to meet with Mark Hayton, the director here. He's going to be showing us around today and telling us all about what they get up to.
This is the first Timberpark we ever built. We handle, at the moment, about 140,000 tonnes a year.
Once you've aggregated the wood here in Leeds and you've done some pre-processing, which we're going to see today, you then move the material up to Hexham for the actual production process by using recycled wood that you source from the UK. Chipboard manufacture as an industry, it's very much a UK-centric industry because of that use of recycled board.
Our philosophy is wood's too valuable a product just to throw away.
Yeah.
That's the motto of our business, always has been since the inception in 1961. We segregate material when it comes in, it's graded on site, so we have quite a mixture of grades, not just the traditional A, B and C, because we've got furniture grade material, civic amenity material, demolition material, and we try to keep it separate where possible.
It's fantastic to see, actually, the condition of your site and the yards. I think it's just phenomenally clean, and obviously testament to the team that you've got here. It's incredible.
Yeah, when we built the site from the beginning, we designed it from the beginning with health and safety in mind, with the ability to clean and keep people safe, and deal with what we don't want to deal with. What you do and what you do well is you pre-segregate on your site, so the wood that we can use doesn't contain MDF, and the lower grade goes to energy. There's a big push for wood to be burned and not reused. Our industry will recycle the product. So when we make a piece of chipboard, we will recycle it in fact, an infinite number of times. It never becomes non-recyclable.
To be honest, hearing that is music to my ears, because it actually underwrites the performance that we advise our clients, that when the wood is segregated and the wood is wood, that we're delivering a fantastic outcome by working with you guys.